What's going on, guys? Adam here of AtoZbodyfitness, and today we're gonna go over how jackknives are the exercise that are gonna help you get the abs that you want.
All right, jackknives, great exercise, kind of hard to do. What you're gonna do is you're going to place yourself on the mat, bring your hands behind you, and you're going to come upwards, and as you do so, bring your hands and your knees together, or as I'm doing, bring your knees in between your arms. Hence the reason why it's called a jackknife, because it opens up like one as well.
What's going on, guys? I just wanted to take a quick break from the video and say thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video and showing support. It really honestly is appreciated. And also, if you're somebody who's been struggling with weight loss or to put on muscle or to learn even how to exercise properly, then you can actually head over to my website. I have a membership area there that you can join. It's made for people that need a direction in order to get to the goals that they want, but don't know what direction to take. It's got a host of how-to videos, mindset videos, nutritional videos, and educational videos, and is set up for your success. If you're interested and you want to be able to get on this, then you can drop a comment in the link below, or you can click a link in the description and we can take it from there.
Now, one key thing here that you can do in order to help yourself is when you're coming up, okay, keep your chest up in the air, but when you come back down to support yourself a bit more, you can let your heels tap the floor, okay? What I like to do is when I'm flat on the ground, I like to raise my stomach a little bit in the air as I'm doing so. Just I find it makes it a bit easier for me.
All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you've been looking for training because you haven't been finding success in what you've been doing, you don't know what to do, you don't know what exercises to do or even how to perform them, click the link below. It's gonna take you to a video that's gonna show you what I do for my clients and how they've joined my membership area that gives them all the answers that they need in regards to their fitness and their training and to work with me on a one-on-one basis. Other than that, see you guys around.